Welcome to Promat Australia. We pride ourselves on being the leading experts in passive fire protection, supplying the widest range of passive systems in Australia. As part of a worldwide industrial group, we have access to an extensive network of expert know-how and a wide range of passive fire protection systems to support our long-standing Australian construction industry focus. With manufacturing and research facilities based in Adelaide since 1998, our effective solutions are designed, manufactured and tested in Australia to protect Australian life and property against the devastation caused by fire, whilst complying with local construction standards and legislation. With an extensive national sales and distribution network, we provide our trusted fire protection solutions to best meet your building requirements wherever you are. Promat's Adelaide manufacturing facility utilises multiple production lines and processes to produce our high-performance Promasil Graphitex intumescent formulation, a key component of our wide range of Promasil retrofit and cast-in fire collars, market-leading Unicollar, fire strip and FlexiWrap products. Along with our Promasil IBS fire-resistant backing rod. These are then assembled and packaged for distribution throughout Australia and overseas. We are proud partners of local business, and our factory supports an ecosystem of subcontractors and suppliers within our community. Promat fire collars are the industry standard, and there is a collar for almost any situation. Whether you need cast-in or retrofit, stack or floor waste, plasterboard, speed panel, AAC or any other type of wall, we have a solution. Our technical support and sales team across the nation can assist with creating a passive fire solution to meet your individual building requirements. We offer a one-stop system solution to complex passive fire protection issues that are tailored to your specific requirements and will ensure that you save time and money. Contact our Promat Australia team for a no-obligation discussion or technical advice for your next project.